Sailfest is all hands on deck.
Yeah, it is going to be a big weekend in New London. Sailfest is back tomorrow through Sunday. There'll be plenty to do at the waterfront. There'll be rides, live entertainment, ships, food, hundreds of local vendors, and a fireworks extravaganza as well. That's set to start at 9 o'clock tomorrow night. Thousands of people expected there. It's always a big event. And there's going to be some new changes this year as well.
Some really great new restaurants have opened up just in the last year. So people that are coming back after a year, they're going to find new restaurants, more restaurants, and more shops. And so, things are on a roll here in New London.
Sailfest starts at 10 a.m. Saturday and Sunday. To learn more, just head to sailfest.org.